So if you are someone that just started African Folktale channel or any kind of AI niche that you are in, and you are looking for where you can get free AI voiceovers, I said free AI voiceovers, then I got you. So another thing is for you to watch the video because I'll be giving you a bonus tip. Now remember that as at the time I'm currently recording this video, this website is absolutely free and you can generate voices in different accents. If you want Nigerian accent is there, if you want Kenyan accent is there, if you want American accent is there, if you want England accent it is there. It is all in one platform and it was absolutely free, easy to use. So let's get into the video. So on your browser, go ahead and search for www.speechma.com. Yes, type it the same way I am typing it here, and after I done typing, we click on it and it will bring us to this particular page. So all we need to do is to click on this particular one right here. We click on this particular one right now and it will bring us to this particular page, and we'll go ahead and you can see that the user interface is quite easy and friendly. Now all you need to do is to do what? We'll go ahead and search for varieties of voices that we can use. Now one thing to notice that this app or this website does not accept apostrophe, hyphen and the rest of them. So anything you want to use or any English language you want to use must be proper English language. Yes. So if it is don't, it has to be do not. Do you understand? So let's continue. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to do what? Subscribe. So let's continue. So let's swipe and see what the interface looks like. So for us to properly utilize this particular website, so we'll turn on to ChatGPT for it to give us the words that we are going to use for this particular tutorial. So over to my ChatGPT, let's just give it a prompt. So I'll go ahead and tell ChatGPT to give me a 1 minute advice that you give it yourself if you were to turn back the hands of time 20 years ago. So I'll just go ahead and type in this prompt and let's see what ChatGPT will go ahead and do for us. So ChatGPT has gone ahead to generate the speech or to generate the words that is going to say, the voiceover is going to say. So all I'll just do is to do what? Copy this particular text. I'll just copy it and then I'll head over to the Speechma website and then I'll paste this here. So let's just do it. So I'll head over here and all I'll need to do is to just paste that thing that I've already copied from ChatGPT. So all I'll just do is to do what? I'll go ahead and paste it. Then for me to be able to do that, I have to remove the hyphens, the apostrophes, the dots, and make it look like a proper English language. So what I'll do is I'll remove the don't or have not or doesn't or does not, all this. So I'll just, for that place that is don't, I'll put it do not. For doesn't, it means does not. So I'll just go ahead and put the proper English so that the AI, that is the app or the website, can be able to read what we have to say, read what we paste here. Sorry. So I'll just go ahead and do that real quick. Let's just be quick with it. I'll just go ahead and do that. Feel free to do the same thing I am doing so you can get the same result. So just go ahead and remove the dots, the hyphen, the apostrophes, the dash, and the rest of them. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So after I'm done with that, I'll just go through it to be sure that I've already done what is need to be done. So after I'm done with that, I'll swipe down to the voices that are available. Listen to the voices and see which one that suits my preference. So I just go ahead and listen to varieties of voices.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click. Experience free and unlimited text-to-speech conversions that brings your content to life across multiple.
So I'll go ahead and choose another one. I'll just go ahead and choose another one. So let me just listen to this. Let me type in So let's go ahead and listen to different varieties of voice that are available on the website. So let's do that.
Bem-vindo ao Speechma, onde suas palavras se transformam em áudio cristalino com apenas um clique. Experimente conversões de texto para. Bem-vindo ao Speechma, onde suas palavras se transformam em áudio cristalino com apenas um clique.
Bienvenue chez Speechma, où vos mots se transforment en audio cristallin en un seul clic. Découvrez des conversions texte-voix gratuites et illimitées qui donnent vie à votre contenu dans plusieurs langues et voix.
Dobrodošli u Speechma, gdje se vaše riječi jednim klikom pretvaraju u kristalno čist audio.
ברוכים הבאים ל-Speechma, שם המילים שלכם הופכות לאודיו צלול בהקלקה אחת. חוו המרות טקסט לדיבור חינמיות ובלתי מוגבלות המחיות את התוכן שלכם במספר שפות וקולות. מסרטוני יוטיוב לתוכן טקסט.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click. Experience free and unlimited text-to-speech conversions that brings your content to life across multiple languages and voices.
So let's check out this Nigerian voice and hear what it sounds like.
Speechma, where your words transform into crystal clear audio with just a click. Experience free and unlimited text-to-speech conversions that brings your content to life across multiple languages and voices.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform
So
into
for me
crystal
to be
clear
able
audio
to
with just a.
generate this, I need to put in this code here. So I'll just go ahead and type in this code, and after I'm done typing it, I'll go ahead and generate the voices that I needed. So I'll just go ahead and put in the code that is required for this, for me to be able to generate this voiceovers. So after I'm done with that, I'll click on this. So it's processing, and let's just give it time to load. Voila, you can see that it didn't even take much time. In a matter of seconds, our voiceover is ready. So let's just go ahead
If I
and
could go back
listen to
20
what it
years,
sounds
I
like.
would tell myself this: start now. Do not wait for the perfect moment because it does not exist. Take risks, embrace failure as part of the process, and stay consistent with your passions. Invest in learning new skills, especially in areas that scare you, and surround yourself with people who inspire growth. Most importantly, believe in yourself even when no one else does.
Voila, you can see that the voiceover has been generated and it's quite okay, it's not bad. So what I'll just do is to just go ahead and download it to my device, just as you see me do here.
So if you have watched this video up to this moment and you have not subscribed, what is your problem? What is your problem? Like this video, subscribe to this channel, watch, in fact, share this video so that others can also benefit the same way you are benefiting from this channel also. And meanwhile, I want you to also, if you want to learn how you can skyrocket your African folktale channel, or you want to learn how you can create music on your own, just watch this video here, or you watch this video here.